Hello everyone, welcome to Nursing World. In this series, we are going to see the anatomy and physiology. Chapter 1, Introduction to the Anatomical Terminology. Anatomy means study of the structure. Physiology means study of its functions. Importance of anatomy and physiology in nursing: to understand the body system for the patient care. If you want to render the effective patient care, then you need to know the body functions and the body organs where it is located. And structural organization of the human body. At chemical level, it is composed of atoms in the molecules. At cellular level, it is composed of different cells. Million trillion of cells our body is composed of. At tissue level, it is composed of epithelial, connective, muscle and the nervous tissues. At organ level, it is composed of different organs like heart, liver, kidneys, etc. At system level, it is composed of organ systems: cardiac system, circulatory system, digestive system, connective system, circulatory system, etc. At organism level, it is composed of whole body. Anatomical positions, and if you see the superior and inferior, top of the head we considered as top is considered as superior, and the bottom part is considered as inferior. And anterior and the posterior, front portion is considered as anterior and the back portion is considered as posterior. Medial and the lateral. Medial is midpoint of the body is considered as medial, and body which is away from the lateral means away from the body. Proximal and the distal. Proximal means which is near to your body. For example, joint of hand is proximal and palms of the fingers is distal end. Body plane: sagittal plane, coronal plane and the transverse plane. Sagittal plane is dividing your body into left and the right, which is also called as medial plane. And coronal plane, which is dividing your body into front and the back. And transverse plane, which is dividing your body into top and the bottom. Body cavities: dorsal cavity and the ventral cavity. Dorsal cavity composed of cranium, vertebral and the spinal cord, and ventral cavity, thoracic, abdomen and the pelvic organs. If you can see in the figure, dorsal cavity is consisting of cranial cavity and the spinal cord. And in the ventral cavity, the frontal portion, thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity and the pelvic cavity. Movements terminology: flexion and the extension. Flexion means decreasing the angle between two body parts, you can see here, and extension is increasing the angle between two body parts. Abduction and adduction. Abduction moves a limb away from the midline, like raising your arm to the side. And adduction is bringing it back towards the body. Rotation versus circumduction. Rotation means how you can see in the image how the hand is rotating, and the circumduction is where you are rotating your entire arm. Dorsiflexion versus plantar flexion. Dorsiflexion means where you are pulling your toes upward, and the plantar flexion means where you are where your points toes downward. Inversion and eversion. Inversion means turns the sole of the foot inward, and eversion means turns the sole of your foot outward. Importance of anatomical terminology in nursing, which provides the accurate communication between your colleagues. For example, whenever you want to interact with the other staff members, whenever you will be knowing the terminology of the anatomy, then you can do the effective communication, and it also avoids the confusion with staff members at the same time with the patient, and helps in the patient assessment and also essential for the medical procedures. Thank you.